Hello gems, my name is T. Welcome back to Gem City Budgets, and today's video is my year of savings. I have $100 in prop money to stuff and my various saving challenges to help me save for various categories. So if that interests you, keep on watching. All right, so let's get started. This is a new month. So we have our Save Every Friday of 2025. And this Friday that I am saving for is July 4th. I know this video is going out after July 4th. So happy 4th to everyone. So let's go ahead and shade this 4 in and say those $4. And we are starting fresh for the next 6 months. 1, 2, 3, 4. And if you're new here, this saving challenge here is an extra payment towards debt, which if you haven't watched my last debt binder video, I was able to save the last $500 to make a debt payment for my Visa credit card. So now that balance is 0. So now we are working towards another credit card, which is my Home Depot card. So yeah, we are going to tackle that one. All right, so next is weekly savings. And this is created by Norella's Budgets. And I am saving for my son's senior year, class of 2026. And with this challenge, every week I just roll a D8. And that is $6. Perfect. Nice little cute way to save little by little. All right. Next is a saving challenge created by Save with Judy. All right, and this is $5 for each icon, and I'm gonna go ahead and save the $5 for the first week of July. Should we just go ahead and do the red? And I'm just going to outline the box in red. And let's do this star here. Perfect. I'm gonna go ahead and color that in. I just feel like coloring today. Perfect. So that's $5. All right. Next we have this Spring Fling created by Coco Chic Living. And this is going towards back to school. And let's do let's go ahead and do, let's do 15. So let's do 16. Let's do 16. And I do 4. Do I got 4 flowers or blue flowers? See, 1, 2, 3, 4. Is that all of them? Yeah, so those were $4 a piece. I did 4 of them, so that's $16. So 15, 16. And I really don't know how much this is going to save me. But that is okay. We almost done with that. So we can go back to school shopping. Ugh. All right, let's do our Santa's Coming to Town. And this is created by Chief Managed Budgets and Champagne's Corner. And I am going to put $20 towards this. And let me see, let me move some stuff out the way. Let's put the 20 inside the calculator. Can you guys see? Let me check. All right, I think you guys can see. Let's get black marker. And we got to roll. Oh, I don't even have a die. Let's roll a die to see how many spaces are we going to do. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, $1. Oh, look, I'm already about to mess up. Let's roll again. 3, 1, 2, 3. So if you land on a character, you pick a card. So I have the cards here. All right, let's pick a card. Oh dear, $10. Okay, so minus 10, and we have 9. Should I do it again? Ooh, I don't know. All right, let's do it again. Let's roll again. 1 space. Okay, $1. So minus $1. So this one is tricky because you don't know what it's going to be. 2, 1, 2. Okay, another $1. Okay, 7. I'm gonna do it one more time. 1 more time. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Minus $2. Minus 2. I do have a 5. But what if I get a card? I know one of the cards said double something. Okay, we're gonna check let's take the chance. 3. 1, 2, 3. Back 4 spaces. Should I cross that one out? No, I'm gonna keep that one in there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh dear. Oh, yeah, 4. So we got a character, so I have to draw a card. This is what I was afraid of. Lord have mercy. Let's see. I knew it. Double the next turn. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's see. 5. So let's go. We stop here. So let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. So we are going to save $2, and I have $3 left. I'm going to stop there. And then, I mean, it really wouldn't be an IOU because I still have some money over here to do. So I finished all the scratches. We are going to put that $3 here. Let me just open it like that. So $3 is a green. Where is my green? Is this the right? All right. So then minus 3, and it's the $20. Okay, that wasn't too bad. And we did go around. We went all the way around the board, which is awesome. Perfect. So that was $20 put towards Christmas. All right. So what shall we do here? So this is a 2025 and 2025 created by the Almost Organized Aisle. So should we let me start off with 30. Let's do 30. So let me do let's do this 14, and then we do 16 for $30. So 20, 30. All right. And this is, I am saving for my taxes for next year. So we got, let's see what we have left. Because we have one more challenge here. And this is saving for back to school also. And this is created by Lemon Ivy. And we got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. We actually have $19. 19. So we can do 5, 5, and 9. So yes, so 10 and 2 5s and a 9 for 19. So we do these glasses. Well, this is a sticker challenge. It's going to save me 80 plus. So that was 5, 5 for 10. And this lunch little box for $9. So you have 8 here left. And then we have these mini stars, which I made $1. So let's go ahead and put that right on in here. And then I will condense this. That was something nice and fun. All right, gems, that is all. That was $100 put into my year of savings binder. Once again, thank you everyone for your love and support. If you want to continue to follow me on this financial journey, please subscribe to the channel or share with a friend. And remember to stay magical. Bye, gems.